Hey everybody, Tomas here with my daughter Ana Lucia, and today we are at Brooks Memorial Park on Highway 97. This is a park that I used to come to all the time as a kid with my parents, and one of the things we always had was Pico de Gallo. Today we're using tomatoes, onions and fresh jalapeños, cilantro and limes, canned jalapeños, and a special ingredient.
First, we add our tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and fresh jalapeños.
Good? That's good. That's good. You don't want it too hot? Okay, all right. Fun little trick here is to take a small can of jalapeños as well. It adds a little bit more heat and some juice. So go ahead and put those guys in there. Look at that. Ooh, you can already smell it. My late cousin Eugene Perez was an incredible man. He loved motorbiking and he loved cooking. And one of the little tips that he showed me was to use Lowry's garlic salt. That was kind of like his secret weapon. All right, now once you got all these ingredients in there, we're gonna go ahead and just give that a mix.
And finally, we add some lime juice.
Ah, there you go. Juice it. There it is. Ah, right in my eye. That's good though. I like limes, so it's all good. Look at that. Let's give it a try. Ready? Mm-hmm. Oh, that does look beautiful. It smells great. Oh man. That is so good. This is great. Yeah. I think we're gonna fuel up, we're gonna hit the trails, and we'll see you guys on our next adventure. To learn how to make this recipe and many others, head on over to wagrown.com.